What's the meaning of barber? Barber. Barber.
Barber. Barbour. Barbour is a British brand that was established in 1894 by John Barbour, a Scottish man famous for his oilskin jackets. The company started as a supplier of durable outdoor clothing for fishermen and seamen and quickly grew to become one of the most iconic and respected brands in the UK. Today, Barbour offers a wide range of clothing, accessories and footwear for men, women and children, all designed with quality, functionality, durability and style in mind. The brand is associated with British heritage, tradition and craftsmanship, and has a loyal and passionate customer base worldwide.